And one thing that I have refused to publicly speak about, but I need to take 5 minutes to address the issue, is the issue of the creation of Anioma State. Because there has been a lot of misconception. There has been a lot of misrepresentation in social media concerning Anioma State. No Anioma song. I don't believe that there is any Anioma song that is opposed to the creation of Anioma State.
Not at all.
Not me, as we try to portray it. But the Anioma that we seek must be the Anioma that the people collectively wish for. And the Anioma that we wish for, and it's the collective will of the people, is that they want the Anioma made up of the 9 local governments in Delta North. There will be residents in the South-South geopolitical zone.
That is it.
With Asaba as the headquarters. And Asaba daughter fought for us. And today we have headquarters of Delta State in Asaba. Somebody who does not even understand how they came. Suddenly you want to wish away that headquarters.
It's not possible.
It's terrible. It's unwise. Because common sense should have told him that what he's doing is wrong. We know the importance of the headquarters. So anybody who is talking about state creation now, obviously is trying to deceive these people. We don't want any deceit. Anioma State, by the special grace of God, we will continue to decide. But when it's going to come, it will be the collective decision of our people, and it shall be a state that those of us in Anioma and the sitting governor will collectively stand up and say, we want this, and it is possible.
Very possible.
You all have heard what Okowa said. He made that statement on the 21st of April 2026. He said that Anioma State should be created and zoned to the south-south. That the creation of Anioma State should be the collective effort of Anioma people. When we were saying this thing for so long that Okowa is the biggest enemy of Anioma State creation and the southeast zoning, some people will be like, Okowa never take him out to talk him now. Look at it here. Anioma State can never be created for the south-south. No state will be created for the south-south to make south-south 7 states. The National Assembly is not ready to create an additional state for other geopolitical zones in Nigeria that only have 6 states. Only 1 state will be created, and that state is meant for the southeast. The slot for state creation is for the southeast. The southeast have only 5 states. The National Assembly wants to give the southeast an additional state. The southeast then gave us the slot for we Anioma people to get Anioma State and join them in the southeast. But because Okowa wants to remain the godfather of Delta State, because he wants to be the only person that should be deciding the fate of Anioma people, he is coming out to campaign for Delta North Senator 2027 to push Senator Ned Nwoko away and occupy that position. Okowa wants we Anioma people to remain in Delta State. When will Anioma State be created in the south-south? Urobo people are there clamoring for Urobo State. Ijaw people are there clamoring for Toruebe State. Ogoni people are there clamoring for Ogoni State. Obolo people are there clamoring for Obolo State. Esan people are there clamoring for Esan State. And Okowa is here saying that Anioma State will be created for the south-south when the time comes. When will that time come? When that time go come? Those clowns wey dey there, they clap for Okowa. They no know say Okowa dey use their future, they play politics. It's so shameful that so many people today in Anioma don't have sense, and those people are those people that are supporting Okowa for Senate. When Okowa was the senator representing Delta North Anioma land, He did not campaign for Anioma State to be created. He was there for 4 years. He did not campaign for we Anioma people to get Anioma State today for South. Okowa was the governor of Delta State for 8 years. He did not clamor for Anioma State to be created and zoned to the South. The reason why Okowa is fighting Anioma State is for him to remain the godfather of Delta State politics. He wants to remain the godfather of Anioma politics. But so many Anioma people are not seeing all these things. Okowa no want to make we get Anioma State join Southeast. Waiting Southeast do Okowa nothing. If Anioma State joins Southeast, are they going to remove Anioma land and put it in other Southeast states? No. We don't talk about Okowa. We don't push am. He come out and say, make he come talk am, make people hear what they in mind. He saying that there are misconceptions online concerning Anioma State creation. There is nothing like misconception. Okowa will steal 1.3 trillion naira. They come out and say he won't be the senator of Anioma land in 2027. And so many Anioma youths are clapping for him. Okowa will be say they give 260 billion naira for Delta State. Okowa pocket the money. Oshomole made that revelation some years back during their campaign for APC. Okowa will get bad record. Now some Anioma youths they campaign for make he go back to the Senate. He not sure say this Anioma line get youths wey not get sense. For that place Okowa they talk all this rubbish now. You go see some Ukwane people there, they cheer am up. Some Ukwane traditional rulers, they that place, they cheer am up. Ukwane la not get lights for more than 20 years. Una still dey support Okowa where be say where him dey power. He not give una all those things. Now, Anioma State won't come, make he give we Ukwane people lights, make he give us good road, make he give us federal and state government presence. Una say no. Say because una no wan join Southeast, una follow Okowa. They campaign for Okowa. They happy, they disgrace una self. Una think say na Senator Ned Nwoko una dey do. Una no say una dey do una self. You people are doing yourselves. When will Anioma State be created for the South? If you say you don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast, then you are telling the National Assembly to give the Southeast 2 more states. And you are telling the National Assembly to give other geopolitical zones in Nigeria 1 more state each. And that is not the plan of the National Assembly. Those Anioma people where they talk say they don't want to make Anioma State join Southeast. They are not the reason all these things. Those Anioma people where they talk say they don't want to join Southeast. When the time go come where they go to talk say they want to give South 1 more state. Do you people think that Anioma State will be choosing to be the 7th state for the South? Anioma State will never take that slot. See as Okowa take una brain they play. The relationship of Okowa and those his supporters is the relationship of a slave master and a loyal slave. Loyal slaves that are so loyal to their master. Anioma State will go give we Anioma people 3 senators. Anioma State will go give we Anioma people more local government. Okowa did that say the 9 local government in Anioma land. We want to be in the South. If we get Anioma State, more local government will be created. We will get at least 25 local governments. We will get more local government chairmen. We will have more councillors. We will have 6 House of Reps members. These are the benefits of Anioma State to we Anioma people. And there are more. The capital will still be in Asaba. We will have good roads in Okwane land, in Oshimili, in Aniocha, and in Ika land. We will have good schools, good healthcare centers. Name it. Many good things go enter Anioma land. Anioma land go grow past as we dey now. Una not the reason all those things. Instead, some Okwane people, Oshimili, Aniocha, and Ika people, they support Okowa. Okowa will steal 1.3 trillion naira. Where they give Delta States, he steal the money. He steal Delta States money. EFCC arrest him that time. Today, now that same Okowa, they tell him, say, you know what, make Anioma State join Southeast. Una they clap for him because una not get sense. It's so shameful. It is very shameful. Say for this 2026, this computer age where we dey, some people for Anioma no wan get sense. If Okowa comot Senator Ned Nwoko from Senate, how are we going to get Anioma State? The agenda of Okowa is to remove Senator Ned Nwoko from Senate so that the dream of Anioma State will be put to an end. Urobo people there, they clamor for Urobo State. When they go start to the demand, say, may they give South one more state in the future. By that time, so many of una go don old die finish. Anioma State agitation is 88 years now. Since 1938, now our fathers for this Anioma start to dey agitate for Anioma State to be created. In the 1950s, Anioma people were clamoring to join their brothers in Eastern region. No be today e start. That one where Okowa dey talk say Anioma people want to be in the south. It's all lies. That is a political propaganda to deceive the public, to deceive the people. When they are trying to create region that time in 1938, Anioma elders, Anioma people, Anioma traditional rulers started saying that they don't want to be joined to Western region, that they want to join their brothers in Eastern region. Now wetin Anioma traditional rulers talk in 1938. And in 1939, Western region was created and Anioma people were zoned to Western region. Our fathers when they talk say they wan join Eastern region. Eastern region na Igbo land. This south is where they see, so now be Eastern region. They talk say they don't understand the language of Yoruba people, that they are not the same people with Yoruba people. That Igbo in the southeast is their brothers, that is where they belong. But instead, they were zoned to Western region. After some time, they left Western region and joined Midwestern region. In 1991, Midwestern region was dismantled and we are now in Delta states. Now we dey talk say the only way where be say we Anioma people go take get Anioma State na through southeast. That is the only way that we can get Anioma State. But some Anioma people wey no dey see far, they no go understand wetin we dey talk now. You think Okowa care about you? Okowa does not care about Anioma people. Okowa only cares about his godfatherism position. Person wey be say when he be senator and governor, he no give you Anioma State. Now we wan give you the Anioma State. If to say Nigeria na country wey be say law dey work, Okowa suppose dey jail by now for that money wey he steal. That 1.3 trillion wey Okowa steal, he suppose dey jail by now. But because of the country where we dey, he dey come out to run for senate. It's so shameful. Some of our southeast brothers go dey talk say Okowa don talk am na, make we start to dey clamor for Anioma State or other states now, make Anioma people dey for south. Okowa will never win this battle that he started. He no go win am. All this one wey he just dey do na make he show say he still dey relevant for Anioma politics. Anioma State must be created and zoned to the south. So all this Okowa dey do na waste of time. It's so shameful. Just look at the rubbish that he's saying. Say make Anioma State dey for south. They stress the issue. Say the capital will be Asaba. Who wan remove the capital from Asaba before? The capital of Anioma State will be in Asaba. Nobody dey comot am from Asaba. Anybody for this Anioma wey dey talk say mean well for Anioma people, that person is expected to support the creation of Anioma State and the southeast zoning. Because no matter wetin you talk, Anioma State can never be created for the south. E no dey possible. When will the slot for an additional state to be created for the south come out? When will it come out? Now when we go down hold die finish, now e go come out. When our fathers start to dey agitate for Anioma State for 1938, they never born Okowa. So wetin dey make una dey feel say na next year they go start to return say they wan give south an additional state? Wetin dey make una feel say na next 10 years? Wetin dey make una feel say na next 20 years? Wetin dey make una feel say na next 30 years, next 40 years, next 50 years? South wey be say we and other people wey dey for south, we no be the same. We no dey speak the same language. We no get the same culture and tradition. We are not the same. We are different people totally. Na that same south una dey kill una sef say una wan remain. We Okwane people, we dey for south. We no dey benefit anything. Even with all the crude oil wells wey we get for Okwane land, we are suffering. No be south we dey south dey suffer. Some Okwane people are still jubilating, saying that let Anioma State remain in the south. I just dey pity Ukwane land. I'm from Omuchime in Ogume. I dey pity Ogume. My mama community wey be Osisa, nothing is working there. Go Ndokwa East, nothing is working. Go Ndokwa West, nothing is working. Go Ukwane local government, nothing is working. Now them get crude oil. The only thing that Ukwane people are doing is Okowa give us, Okowa give us. Then they do boy for Okowa. People wey say they not get vision, they not dey see far. That is say we be Okowa boys. We are not boys to Okowa. Now Okowa dey serve us. The proposal for Anioma State. Now we carry memorandum go give Senator Ned Nwoko say start agitating for Anioma State. We will support you. Before we go give Senator Ned Nwoko the memorandum for state creation, we go meet Okowa to give am. We submit the memorandum to some House of Reps members for this Anioma land. They ignored it. That time we never meet Senator Ned Nwoko. We had never see face to face before. We carry the memorandum, go Senator Ned Nwoko house, go give am. He come tell us say he like that idea, say he will take it up from there. Senator Ned Nwoko go National Assembly, come talk say he wants Anioma State to be created. Now we dey reach today. So Anioma State creation is not the fight of Senator Ned Nwoko, but the fight of we Anioma people. Senator Ned Nwoko talk say the first governor of Anioma State will be an Ukwane person. That one alone na opportunity for Ukwane people to support Anioma State. Make we get these states. Ukwane person will be the first governor of Anioma State. Na achievements to we Ukwane people. We go use them as opportunity build Ukwane land. But some Ukwane people, they know they see all these things. They know they see all this vision. Senator Ned Nwoko mean well for we Ukwane people. You don't tell what Senator Ned Nwoko they talk about that Okpai power plant, that IPP wey dey Okpai. You don't tell what they talk about and say he won't make those people they get lights. You don't talk about Obu wey dey for Ogwashuku. Say that water go good to build dam where go they generate lights to Anioma people. Some people are saying Senator Ned Nwoko have not done anything for we Anioma people. Anioma State is more important. Make we get this Anioma State. Make he start to do all those things. Do you know the development that we will get if we get Anioma State? Okowa wants us to remain in Delta State. He wants us to remain in South so that he will secure his position as the godfather of Delta State politics, as the godfather of Anioma politics. Some of una know they see all these things. When I think say Okowa like una, when I know say he is using you people as political thugs, political slaves to achieve his agenda. Just look at the rubbish that Okowa is saying. Make we remain for South so that all these fights wey we don fight since go to waste. Anioma State have passed first reading, second reading. It's about going to third reading. Okowa wan sabotage everything, make all the effort where we and Senator Ned Nwoko don do, make it scatter. Some of you people are not seeing all these things. It's so shameful. Na Ukwane people dey pity pass. Some people they talk say why e be say na Ned Nwoko and Okowa dey campaign for Senate 2027. Now that new person wey wan come na go give we Anioma people Anioma State no. Senator Ned Nwoko don start Anioma State agitation. Make he dey that place complete am till we get am. That person wey want make he go for Senate, that person can be the senator of Ukwane land if we get Anioma State. That person can be the senator of Ika land if we get Anioma State. That person can be the senator of Enuani land if we get Anioma State. The goal is to get Anioma State. Anybody wey wan run for politics can run for politics and represent his people. The most important thing is let us get Anioma State. Okowa dey here wan scatter everything wey we dey do because he wants to remain the godfather of Delta State politics. Now Okowa put sheriff for power now. Now I put the deputy governor of Delta State for power. Now I put SHE for power. That is why they are all loyal to him. Now why all these people not dey support Anioma State? Because now where their papa dey, they go dey. Deep down in their hearts, they want Anioma State, but they cannot go against the person that puts them in power. As we dey talk this thing now, some Ukwane people dey talk say wetin this boy from Ogume dey talk. He's not even from Ogume. He's an Igbo boy from the southeast. These are the people that come to Ukwane land to cause confusion, to change our identity. They go dey talk different things. They don't know say I mean well for them. And they go National Assembly, they do everything to see say we get Anioma State. Make it better for Ukwane land. Some Ukwane people dey for comment section, they talk rubbish because they no wan get sense. Are we Okwa people doing better than the Southeast? No. Is Anioma land doing better than the Southeast? No. Make we get our own states. Make we grow like other Southeast states. Okowa say no. Some of una dey support am. Una think say una dey do Senator Ned Nwoko. Una don't know say una dey do una self. You are not doing us. You are not doing Senator Ned Nwoko. History we have it that Senator Ned Nwoko did his best to give we Anioma people Anioma State. History we have it that he did his best to unite we Anioma people with our brothers in the Southeast. History will remember us that the Igbo unification movement, Nigerian socio-cultural organization, worked hard to see that Anioma State is being created. And history will remember Okowa as the major enemy of Anioma people. Okowa is a wolf in sheep clothing. Even devil they wear white. Okowa will never succeed in this fight that he started. That politics where you want play, we go play that politics with Okowa. Okowa dey feel say Anioma people na slaves where you go dey manipulate up and down. That time don pass, that era don pass. If to say Okwan youth dey organize, if to say they dey understand all this thing wey we dey talk, Okwan youth suppose don dey protest say they no want Okowa for Senate 2027. If to say Oshimi and Anambra youth dey understand wetin we dey talk, they suppose don dey protest say they no want Okowa for Senate 2027. Ika youth they no go protest because so many of them na Okowa boys and girls. Okowa don lock Anioma land up. Na why progress no dey enter Anioma land. Money wey dey come Delta State, Okowa dey pocket am. 1.3 trillion naira, Okowa pocket the money. E dey very bad say APC dey allow person like Okowa to come out dey run for Senate. Anioma people should wake up. You people should see the agenda that Okowa have for we Anioma people. He want to keep Anioma people backward. Urobo people dey fight say they wan comot from Delta State. Okowa dey push Anioma people dey keep for Delta State. Warri people dey talk say they wan secure the capital of the new Delta State for Warri. Okowa dey carry Anioma people dey keep for Delta State. Ijaw people wey dey Delta State dey agitate say they wan get to Ebe State to comot from Delta State. Okowa dey carry Anioma people dey keep for Delta State. Some Anioma people think say Okowa mean well for them. Okowa does not mean well for we Anioma people. That man is a slave master. He don enslave the mindset of so many Anioma people. Okowa wey come out for 2022 talk say him be Igbo. Come out now dey talk say he no wan make Anioma State join Southeast. How can you be Igbo and you don't want Anioma State to be part of Southeast? Okowa only said that he's Igbo for political reasons so that the Southeast will vote for him. The same Okowa wey talk say him be Igbo, they tell you now say make Anioma State dey for South. You dey believe? Anioma people wake up. Okowa did not mean well for we Anioma people. Okowa not be person where you go trust. Okowa na politician with so many bad record. We Anioma people, we don't want criminals to represent us in 2027. We don't want people that embezzle money, people that steal money to represent we Anioma people in 2027. Okowa is an enemy to Anioma State creation that will bring development to we Anioma people. Anioma people reject Okowa. Okowa will never go back to the Senate. Ishegwale.